Hello guys. Today we're going to talk about some summer things because summer's coming, almost upon us, and people want to know what to do for their spines and stay active. These tips in general aren't summer specific, but for this summer and for every day, we want to consider several things. First of all, I know you guys want to lose some weight because you want to look better in your bathing suits for the summer. So nutrition's critical. It's critical all the time. And I don't care if you work out every day, if you eat poorly, you're not going to see results and you're not going to have a healthy back and spine. Good nutrition looks like minimizing sugar and carbohydrates and maximizing clean proteins, healthy vegetables. Vegetables are great because it's a good source of nutrition, vitamins, some anti-inflammatory effects. Sweet potatoes are great if you want some carbo. Baked potato, but please don't load it up with sour cream and butter and those things. Good clean protein, lean meats. Hydrate. Got to stay hydrated. Lots of water. Let's say 3 to 4 liters a day. And get some cardio in. I like high intensity interval training, 30 minutes. I personally like to do the Peloton bike. I do 30 minutes of the high intensity training. That builds enough cardio and then a little weight training, some balance training, maybe yoga, Pilates, things like that. Just be careful with yoga and hyper twisting. Those kinds of things are super for preparation for the summers as well as staying healthy in general. Last thing, supplementation. What supplements should we take? Things that reduce inflammation are great, and things that elevate hormones that help us burn fat and build muscle. The stronger your muscles are, the more core your spine gets stabilized, the less weight you have by losing the fat. So remember, by the good nutrition, hydrating, and then supplements. So those are some tips for today. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time.